Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO A96 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by OPPO. Here you can see the big A, and if you talk about the internal storage, it comes with 128 GB ROM and 8 GB RAM. Okay, so now quickly open it and start the unboxing. So you can see the white box over there with OPPO branding. Okay, now open it. Okay, so in top we get this a small white box. Okay, quickly open it, see what we get inside it. So guys, here we get the SIM ejector pin, and here's some reading manuals and warranty card, and this is the transparent back case. Okay, and guys, here's the phone itself. Here you can see, here's the phone itself. It is in sunset blue color. The steady black color is also available, and you can see the highlighted feature over there. 33 watt superbook fast charger, 5000 mAh long lasting battery, 8 GB plus up to 5 GB extended RAM technology, and 90 Hz color rich punch hole display. You can see, and you can see 5 GB extended RAM released by software, and 5000 mAh is the typical value of battery capacity. The minimum capacity is 4880 mAh. Okay, so we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So guys, here we get the USB type C to type A cable, and guys, this is the 33 watt fast charger you get in the box. Okay, so that's all we get. Okay, so keep this aside, and guys, come to the font. So you can see here's the font itself. Okay, now remove its plastic cover. So you can see the font itself. It is in sunset blue color. Here you can see the desert design. You can see it is changes color from this different angle. You can see it is changes color from different angle. And if we talk about the back, it is made by polycarbonate, and the frame is also plastic, but it is front and back is protected by Gorilla Glass, which is a really good thing. You get the protection of Gorilla Glass in front and back. And you can see, if we talk about the guys design, you can see design looks really great. You can see the desert design you get in this phone. You can see it is the shiny design, you can see. And if we talk about its weight, it is of 191 gram, and the thickness of this smartphone is 8.5 mm, and the thickness of steady black color variant is 8.4 mm. Okay, so you can see guys, phone looks really great. You can see in hand it looks good. You can see, yep, not too bulky. And you can see, if we talk about the thickness, you can see it is 8.5 mm. Phone looks good. You can see, if we talk about the phone and the design, you can see the design is really looks good. You can see tassel, you get the tassel design in this phone, and it is also safe from scratches. Yes, it has premium design and premium durability. You can see, and the good thing is it passed 28,000 micro drop, 1 meter drop, and minus 15 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius extreme environment test. You can see a fully tested phone. You can see. Okay, so now if we talk about its physical overview, so quickly check this out. In top here you can see we get the secondary microphone, and on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key, and on bottom here you can see we get the speaker grill over there, USB type C port. This is the main microphone, and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we get the volume up and down key, and this is the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So you can see the another good thing, we had triple card slot. You can see we can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And here on back, you can see here on back it has dual rear camera system. Over there you can see 50 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, and this is the 2 megapixel with bokeh lens. And you can see this is the dual LED flash. Here you can see AI camera with 50 megapixel sensor, and here we get the branding of OPPO, And if we talk about the front, it has here it has a 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. And here we get the 6.5 inches full HD plus 90 hertz display with 5 level adaptation. Here you can see. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 686 nm octa-core processor at 6.5 inches full HD plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz 5 level adaptation. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. It has dual rear camera, 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture and 2 megapixel with bokeh lens. It has 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. It has 128 GB internal storage and it has 5000 mAh battery which supports 33 watt fast charging, and it is run on Color OS 11.1 based on Android 11. And guys, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So as you can see, I have set up the device and this is the main screen of OPPO A96 smartphone. Okay, so if we slide from bottom, here we get the, here you can see, here we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, here we get the notification center. Here's the helpful quick settings and brightness adjustment setting also available over there. Okay, and guys, as I told, it has 6.5 inches 90 hertz full HD plus display, and I currently set it to 90 hertz. So quickly check its performance. So as you can see, it has ultra smooth display. You can see it has ultra smooth display. Yep, you can see it has ultra smooth display, no doubt. Yep guys, the display is ultra smooth. Okay, so now quickly go to settings, and if we go in about phone, so you can see the device name, the Color OS version and the Android version. It is run on Android version 11, and the security update is of February 5 2022. Okay, and here we have the RAM expansion technology. You can see we can expand it up to 5 GB, which is a really good thing for a smoother experience. And here you can see the device storage. You can see 105.5 GB available out of 128 GB. Okay, and guys, here you can see the processor. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 686 nm octa-core processor. As you can see guys, it runs really smooth. You can see the ultra smooth of running. It is a working ultra smooth. Yep, no doubt. Okay, now if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with OPPO A96 smartphone in different lighting condition with different modes. Now if we talk about its security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock for better performance. So now quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, up put finger and you can see it unlock. Up put and you can see it unlock. Try it in another way. So guys, as you can see, it is really fast and responsive. You can see up put and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see, yep, it is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, okay, I see and it unlock the phone. Try it in another way. Okay, I look at phone and phone, yep, unlock itself quickly. You can see, I'm not seeing, I see and it quickly unlock the phone. Phone look at me and unlock itself quickly. Now I look at the phone and it unlock itself quickly. You can see guys, it is really up. The face unlock and side mounted fingerprint both are really fast and responsive. As you can see, I put and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A96 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.